Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a huge update. I have completed, as you can see, I have completed the poncho sweater from last week. And here it is. Tassels, the little flowers. It is 100% complete now. I will insert a few clips of me finishing it here now. I have also finished and worked on a few side projects this week, and I want to show you that. I did not film any of it because we were on a little road trip, so I didn't want to film while we were driving. The finished product here, so I can show you. It is 2 book covers. Oh, it is a book cover. And it unbuttons. Take your book out. Yeah, if it's like a small to medium sized book. And here's the one I made for myself. Super cute. If you want a custom one, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll reach out to you, or you can click the link in my channel description or my video description. I think it's in both, but yeah, that's what I made this week. But other than that, that's all I have for this video. It's gonna be kind of short, but hopefully next week will be better. I'll be working on some other projects, and I have a very free weekend, so I have some ideas of some things I want to work on. A lot of whips I want to work on, but I'll film it all and take you guys along with me. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe. That would help me out a lot, and I would would appreciate it. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye.